at Hobby Airport this morning.
Well, now to the big national story of the day. Former President Trump is facing yet another legal challenge to his election bid, and this one is likely headed for the U.S. Supreme Court.
Okay, so in Colorado, the Supreme Court there says the former president is ineligible to run for re-election. Doug Luzader reported from Washington to find out what happens next.
The Trump campaign calls this decision to remove him from the ballot in Colorado undemocratic, and this is a constitutional question that the U.S. Supreme Court will almost certainly have to resolve.
They're not after me, they're after you. I just happen to be standing in their way, and I always will stand in their way.
The former President Trump in Iowa last night talking about his many legal challenges, but nothing specific about the most recent.
Thank you.
Colorado's Supreme Court just ruled that Trump is ineligible to run, citing the insurrection clause of the Constitution's 14th Amendment, saying that he violated that by backing the January 6th storming of the Capitol. Colorado's Secretary of State may not list President Trump's name on the 2024 presidential primary ballot, nor may she count any write-in votes cast for him. And in an interview last night, that Secretary of State said that at this point, she will follow that decision.
The fact of the matter is the Colorado Supreme Court has determined that Donald Trump did engage in insurrection and that his actions have disqualified him from being president.
The Trump campaign said, "We have full confidence that the U.S. Supreme Court will quickly rule in our favor and finally put an end to these un-American lawsuits." And the divided Colorado court is allowing time for the U.S. Supreme Court to weigh in.
Well, this court just handed partisans on both sides the ultimate tool to try to shortcut elections. And it's very, very dangerous. I mean, this country is a powder keg, and this court is just throwing matches at it.
And the real danger for the Trump campaign here is that a number of states are considering similar challenges and may follow Colorado's lead if the Supreme Court doesn't intervene. In Washington, Doug Luzader, Fox News.